So what you can also do is you can go ahead and give multiple message prompts in Kimi. So let's say, for example, for that, you can say something like, for the topic I am going to send in the next message, write a joke about it. So I can simply go ahead and say that in the next message I'm sending something, and you can go ahead and press enter. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that Kimi will remember that I'm going to send something in the next message. So I'm simply going to go around and type in computer now right here, just like this. And once you do that, now it'll refer to my previous message that I have right here and know that it has to write a joke, and then it'll write a joke accordingly. So it says, why did a computer go to the art school? Because it wanted to learn how to draw a letter, a better bite. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So similarly, you can simply go ahead and give another, let's say, for example, topic as well. Let's say, for example, flower right here. So let's just go ahead and say flower. And then what happens is that it already knows that it has to actually go ahead and write a joke about it. So it'll think of it as a joke and then we'll write it out. So you can see that you need to wait for a bit right here. And then it says, why did the flower go to the party? Because it was a blooming good time. So this is how you can go ahead and use multiple message prompts inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe